Tower Hotel. Gets better every time you ride it. Hello guys, what is up? My name is Stephen Blackwood, and today on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, I am here at Disney for the last time. That's sad. Why am I getting excited about that? No, I'm at Disney for the last time. That's better. There we go. That's more like it. We're here for the last day of the year. We won't be back this year, but we will be back some year. You tell me what year in the comments below, and I'll get there for that year. You can even tell me to get there for this year, and I'll just get it for you. I just buy a plane ticket. $3,000. That's right. Just come on over. For you, for the YouTubers, for the subscribers. Today is the last day. So if you had a last day at Disney, what would you do? I am going to show you that. I'm going to answer that question for you right now. Just come along with me for the last day on Steve Blackwood YouTube channel.
Good morning, everybody.
Bye.
Weather is hot.
Sun is shining. Let's try it. What do we choose for our last day at Disney? We're about to find out. Let's go. We've been pulled backwards. This is why it's such a good ride. Gonna get on the one. Let's go. How to start your morning at Walt Disney World? Go and try out the new Slinky Dog Dash coaster at Toy Story Land in Hollywood Studios. It's a good family coaster that gets you going in the morning. It's got enough thrill, enough force, and it even pulls you backwards and bounces you off. It's a launch coaster, 2 in 1. Wow!
Folks act like you've never seen a talking potato. So what? I'm a potato. I make comments. Yeah, I guess that makes me a commentator. Hurry, hurry! Woody, Buzz, and all my pals have set up the Midway Mania playset just for you.
hotel. Gets better every time we ride it. Hey! Hope you enjoyed my little expression face there. I'll see you at Magic Kingdom as the adventure continues on the last day at Disney. What would you do with it? end of it. That's come to the end of my last day of Disney. Last day. Bye bye. Bye. No more. There's no more Walt Disney vlog, no more. This is the end of it. We're off to Universal. So I hope you've enjoyed it. On the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, me taking you around with some exclusive ride footage that I don't even think I would get myself. you know. But no, it's been fancy. This what gets to me is I won't be able to come back to this park as often as I do Thorpe Park, but I've learned to love it in some way. Some rides more than others, but yeah, thank you. Thanks Disney. Hope you enjoyed it. What?
Subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel. You can go and subscribe to me, and you can watch stuff like this. Here, the real deal. I will see you at Universal. So from me, and from Kieran, and from the family over there. They're over there. They're over there somewhere. And from our castle. Back there, from that. Beautiful devil, from that beautiful lady. But this is the last day, this is my last day of Disney Vlog, and I thank you for watching. Subscribe, link in bio, like it, comment it, subscribe it, click all the other videos in the channel below, and I'll see you next time on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel. But I doubt I'll be from Disney. So from Main Street USA, bye bye. I may be 21, but I'm a kid at heart. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.